Oh, that might be a fish. Yeah. There we go. And there's another shorehead. Oop. Nice little guy. Pretty long. Got that signature beautiful red tail. Let's let it go. Oh, that's a big bite. It's pretty quick. Question is, will it bite again? Sometimes these fish will bite and then they'll leave for a bit and then sort of come back again and start eating again. So it's definitely hard to say. So I'm gonna give this maybe a minute, and if the fish doesn't start biting again, I will reel back and check my worm.
2 seconds later.
Oh yeah, that's a fish. Looks like it's golden this time. First one of the day. It's been all shorehead, so it's nice to get one of these guys up here as well. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Yeah, so when we're casting for Redhorse, a few things I'm really looking for. You want to find somewhere with enough depth so it's not too shallow, and usually a bit of current's good. If you have too much current, your bait can't really hold bottom, and if you have like no current, then the fish typically won't be hanging around there. And when you're casting, you don't have to cast too far. It really depends where the fish are. Usually you can get fish closer in or further out as long as it's deep enough in either option. So I usually just cast on a bit of a, I usually like to cast closer personally, just to in case I get snagged, I don't lose too much line. But it's really personal preference, and you can get great fish regardless of which way you cast. Can't really emphasize just how important location is to Redhorse fishing. You can have the best possible rigor presentation, but what really matters is as long as you're getting your bait in front of a fish, that fish will a lot of the time bite your bait. There we go, there's the fish. That's another shorehead it looks like. It's a good fish. Oh, that's a nice one. Good size, beautiful. Big strong fish. Wow, that's a great one. And yeah, quick on hook and back it goes. Some low taps. Show me if you got a fish. It's another shorehead. Catching these guys all day. but they're such fun fish to catch. And this is another, ooh, another good one. You can tell it's a short head because they have like a small triangular head and a small mouth, and then this big red tail. Now back it goes. Oh, it's a fish. Didn't even realize it bit. Huh. Very golden looking golden. Wow. That's a big one too. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at the size of this one. All right, that's like big gold, beautiful golden. So to go back. Ooh. That's exciting. Well, it's too big though. But looks like the goldens are out now. Sweet. That is another solid one. Wow, big head on this guy. Yeah, let him go.
Three hours later.
Oh, this feels quite good. Whatever it is. Lots of silver. Come on in. Come on. Get in here. Oh, here we go. Well, I've waited like 3 hours maybe for this fish, but 3 hours maybe no bites, or there's no takes. But you know what they say, persistence pays off. Patience is key to this type of fishing. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. Got this beautiful, beautiful silver red horse, something around maybe 6 pounds-ish. And yeah, let's let it go. All right, well, that should be it for this video. Hope you've learned something new and hope it was a bit entertaining. And yeah, catch some red horse and see you next time.